How you doing, guys? Welcome back to AJ's Garage. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Today's going to be a short little clip about an idea I got from an Instagram page that I follow. I'll put the name of the page in the description, but what they did was they installed some of these D-rings in the top corner of the bed as a anchor and a tie-down point for anything that they're carrying in the back of the truck, and I thought it'd be a great idea. Even though I don't use it very much, but I've already got one installed and mocked up, but I think it looks really clean, looks really nice. It almost looks like it's something that would have came from the factory. So I'm going to install these in all four corners, and we'll just go over it with you. I ordered these off of Amazon, but I'm sure you guys could pick out whatever best suits your application. The 6,000 pound capacity might be a little bit of overkill, but they look really beefy. They look really nice too as well. So I think they complement the look of the truck. I just went to my local hardware store, picked up some carriage bolts to secure them down, just with this smooth top to it. That way it's not interfering with the ring at all. So let's go over installation. Alrighty guys, so I got all four locations picked out. The driver's side here on the left is already secured. The passenger side ones are not yet. I'll go over the ones at the front of the bed in a second. But you really can place these wherever you'd like. It's really what best suits you. I decided to place them just a little bit off. That way they were easily accessible from anywhere on the truck. If I had the tailgate down here, or if I needed to reach in from the top of the bed there. I'll include the measurements as far as where I placed them and where I drilled the holes. But I didn't want to just drill holes and tie it down that way as well. So what I included was this flat bar of steel that you guys had seen in the beginning of the video. So I cut these down. The measurements for this one is 10 inches, and this one will go up in the front. The one at the back of the bed is 6 inches. That way it distributes the pressure and the load from anything secured to the D-ring. Also, you have interference here with the back of the bed and the bed support here that goes all the way across. So let me insert a picture of what those look like. The location at the front of the bed, I placed 13¼ inches back because on the driver's side you have the protective cover for the fuel filler. I didn't want them to be offset, so at that measurement back, both line up and are parallel to each other. Alrighty guys, so I got all four D-rings secured. I'm really happy with all the locations and how they look on the truck. If anyone needed an idea for tying down cargo or whatever you may be hauling, I hope this helped. I'll probably end up using these to remove the bed at a later time, but thank you guys for watching.